Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do by some tools by Milwaukee. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. I also will be doing some more unboxings and tool videos today because I'm waiting for my package from FedEx from Acme Tools. That's going to be part 1. They package these really tight. Alright, so that's that. 6 amp hour battery pack. Little instruction booklet. Box is empty. I like how Milwaukee packages these, that they package them inside the bag. It's a very nice bag. I like the bag. I really like the zipper. The zipper is very nice. Okay. It's a wide mouth bag. We got a pamphlet, instruction, operator's manual for the hammer drill and the impact driver. We have a operator's manual for the charger, the 2 and the 4. There's the charger. Thanks for stepping up to the best tool money can buy. Win 10-piece combo toolkit. That's a fuel kit. Win a t-shirt, 850 winners per month. Here's the registration code. Alright, so here's the charger. Charger's pretty nice. We got our 2.0. Here's the 4.0. And the reason I chose to pay a little extra for this kit was because I would prefer to have a 2, a 4, and a 6, because you got the 6 for free instead of having just 2 of these 2s. This kit you can specifically get with 2 2s for the exact same price, $179, or you can get the 2 and the 4 for $179, or you pay the $229 full price of the kit and you get a free 6 that I have right here. So those 2 batteries. Looks like the hammer drill. I like that it also had a cone over it. Here's the hammer drill. The clips are already on them, which is nice. It's a nice smooth chuck. 2-speed transmission. 16. It's a 16 speed clutch with drill. 16 feels like 17 because it goes 15, 16, 17 speed with a drill and and the hammer drill. So 17, 18, 19 clutch settings. Here is 1/4" hex impact driver. The impact driver is cat number 2553-20. The drill, hammer drill, is cat number 2504-20. So this is everything it came with. So both tools came with 3 batteries, a 2, a 4, and a 6, charger and bag. And that's going to be the unboxing for this guy. So I will try to drop a link down below for the link for this kit if you want to get the free 6 for $229. As well as I'll drop this kit by itself without the 6 for the $179 with the 4 amp hour in the description below. And shout out to Hard Knocks Forge. I'm going to leave a card up here for him, as well as a shout out to Vince and Nick from VCG Construction. I'll put a card up here for Vince and Nick. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and appreciate your guys' time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.